Hey everyone, today we're going to do some farm animal movement breaks, and I have my son here. Hi, Colton. He's going to be demonstrating the movement breaks for us. You might recognize this from my classroom at KCH. So we have a bunch of animals that are in here. They all have a different movement. So we're going to pick them out and Colton will demonstrate them for me. You ready, bud?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to, wait, come here. Do you want to pick one out?
Sure.
All right. Come on. Our dog is attacking him right now. No. Hey. Come on. All right. What you pick? Come on, pick one out. All right, let's see. I'll put it here close so we can read it. Horse gallop. Stand on your feet, gallop across the room with one foot leading, gallop back with the other foot leading. Ready? Go ahead. There you go. Now go back the other way and gallop with Josie. Can you come get her?
Josie.
All right. Well, you can kind of see galloping there. Okay. All right. I'm going to pick another one, Colton. Ready?
Colton, stop.
Frog hop. So you have to hop like a frog across the room and then hop back again. So you're going to put your hands down on the floor between your legs and you're going to hop, hop, hop. Just like this. Come on. Ready? Good job. All right. I'm going to pick another one, buddy. Oh, this is a fun one. Cow walk. Stand on your hands and knees, or, get down on your hands and knees. Walk across the room while shaking your head from side to side and up and down like you are eating grass. No, not like that. Cows aren't crazy like that. Do it nice. No, Colton, go slow. Go slow. Go slow. There you go. All right, you get the idea. Don't do it like Colton does it. All right, ready, Colton? Goat kick. Stand on your feet and place your hands on the floor. Walk across the room as you kick out your feet. Do you know how to do this? So kind of walk. Yeah, kick. Or you can kick them straight back. Or you can kick it straight back, too. There you go. Goat kick. All right. All right, guess what? Now we have hen flap. Ready? Tuck your hands under your arms, like under your armpits, to make wings like a hen. Flap your wings as you strut across the room. There you go. Good job. Back he goes. Our next one is a duck waddle. Place your heels together like this with your toes apart. Place your hands at your sides as you waddle around the room. Toes out. Look at my feet. Toes out. There you go. Yes, there you go. That's a waddle. There's a waddle like a duck. All right, our next one is a sheep crawl. Lie on the floor with your feet and your arms tucked up under your body. Inch yourself forward in a slow, steady crawl. So Colton, you're kind of like curled up like this, okay?
Hey, Josie.
So curl up like this and then just walk real slow on your hands and knees, kind of. There you go. It's a sheep crawl. Nice and slow. Good job, buddy. All right. Oh, this is our last one. This is a pig roll. You ready, Colton? Lay on the floor and roll like a pig in the mud. Come on, little piggy. Good job. No, roll back and forth. Roll back and forth. There you go. Back and forth. This is good job. All right, everybody. I hope you had fun doing these Animal Farm movement breaks. Post a picture, show me a video, and I'll look for it tomorrow. See you soon. Bye-bye.